I swear this is like the third time I've tried my intro. Anyways, hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Megan. So today I'm gonna do an all cream products on my face. I don't know what is going on. I cannot talk today. But I have the new Fenty blush and bronzer right here. I also have the Huda Beauty Tantour Contour. And let me be real. I sat down to do this video a couple of days ago. And I'm redoing it because you could hear my 4-year-old having the worst meltdown, tantrum, like throwing things, kicking his wall. It was so bad that I scrapped the whole video because you could hear it. And I did not want that in my video because it was awful. This tutorial is really great. I forgot what I was doing. Oh. Alright, so this tutorial is really great if you have dry skin, aging skin, mature skin. I have dry aging skin because I'm getting closer to 30. If you guys like these kind of videos, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, comment down below what I can improve on, what I should do. Just comment anything. Just leave me some comments, please. And let's get into this video. Alright, so I actually already primed my face. I have moisturizer on, and I also use the Smashbox Vitamin Glow Primer, which I have been enjoying. I got a little sample in Sephora. Okay, so we're going to go in first off with foundation. When I do cream products, I usually start off with my face because it's usually a lighter makeup day for me. And I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. It's one of my favorite foundations. Next, I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Tantour Contour. What is this? Yeah, Tantour Contour and Bronzer Cream. This is in the shade Light. And I'm going to use this Paddington brush that we got from BoxyCharm. That costs way too much. And I'm going to use it to contour my face. I forgot how pigmented this is already. And just for the heck of it, because I want it to look like I have a little bit more fuller lips. And when I do that, I always take my contour and I will brush it right under my lip. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this Fenty cream bronzer. I know that works really good, but I want to use this one too. And this is in the shade Butta Biscuit, and it is very loved. I love this stuff. I love the blushes. Like, I want to buy more of the blushes, but I spent way too much on Sephora to do that. Alright, and then for the blush, like, this is moving so fast. This is like my daily if I'm on the go routine. Oh, and this is in the shade Petal Poppin'. I'm going to take the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. It's actually one of my favorite concealers and it's super affordable. And like that was literally just one dip in there. So I know this is a no powdered look, but so my eyeshadow doesn't like get muddy and stuff. I do set my eyes a little bit, and I'm going to use the Fenty setting powder, excuse me. Just a little bit, enough to set the lids of my eyes. And this is a Morphe M536 brush. One of my favorite brushes ever. And that's all that is literally all the powder I'm using. I made a mess with this setting powder, so. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the Natasha Denona Tropic palette. So I'm going to dip into Sahara. Alright, and then I'm going to pop on some eyeliner. This is the Urban Decay Glide On Eye Pencil Vivid, and it's part of their Wired collection, I think. Don't hold me to that, I'm not sure. Just because I want to add it a pop of color. Just like that. Super pretty. Alright, so I'm going to hop off camera real quick and I'm going to put on some eyeliner just because I'm going to do a simple wing and my hands are kind of shaky. I don't need an audience seeing how bad I am at this. And I'm going to do my eyebrows and some mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, this is like my 8th time I try to end my video. I keep like stumbling over my words. Maybe if I talk slower, I don't know. I can't English today. It happens, okay? I get that Kentucky tongue and I can't talk. So, anyways, this is a super quick look. Depending on how much you do, like, you don't have to do the eyeliner or the eyeshadow. Like, you could seriously just take the bronzers and tap it over your eyes, some little bit of blush, put a little highlighter on, and be done in like less than 15 minutes. Yeah, you guys, that is the end of my video. And it only took 8 tries to get here. Wow. Okay, so you guys, if you like these videos, again, subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. Please comment down below, like, critique me. Don't be mean about it, but tell me what I can do better. Tell me what I'm doing great. Tell me what I'm doing bad. I don't know. Just leave me some comments down below. Talk to me, something. I don't care. I'll talk back, I promise. Yeah. So until my next video, which I'm excited about because the product is God bless it. The product is out for delivery right now, and I can't wait to sit down and film with it. So yeah, you guys have a great day. Stay safe. Enjoy the sunshine and the warm weather. Remember your SPF. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.